Tips for growing raspberries. Hello, welcome to 7 Savings Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. So, one of the main tips for growing raspberries is know the type of raspberries you're growing, and most raspberries prefer a little bit sunny location and with a soil that is really well drained and rich in compost. Another tip for growing raspberries and getting abundant raspberries is to set up a trellis. You can set up a trellis so that they will support the raspberries. So I use a T-post, and I use 2 T-posts, bury them into the ground, and use the wire to secure the connect them so that the raspberries can lean on the trellis, and they are able to continue growing on the trellis. Another important tip for growing raspberries is to prune the raspberries. You want to prune the raspberries every year. Pruning the raspberries, you want to take off any brown stem or any old stem, or take out any overgrown raspberry stem. This will reduce the amount of nutrients these additional plants get from the raspberries, thereby increasing the yield and the quality of harvest you get from the raspberries. So you want to prune it every year. Another important tip for growing raspberries is you want to make sure you add compost or fertilizer to the raspberry stem or roots. So every year I add like 2 inches of compost to the root system of the raspberries, and this provided enough nutrients. Also, when I do compost tea, I put some compost tea at the bottom of the raspberries and also on the leaves of the raspberry, and this helps fertilize the raspberry. So this is it after about 2 months, and this side of the raspberry trellis is doing very well. This side, I pruned this side last year at the end of the season, so this side has ripened earlier than the other side. So this side of the trellis that I pruned last year is produced a lot of raspberries. We have a lot of raspberries over here, and we're gonna be able to eat a lot of raspberries for a longer period of time, because this side is ready now and the other side is gonna be ready like in a week or a couple of weeks. So I'm just gonna try to harvest as much as possible, and then I'll show you guys the other side, what we have on the other side of the trellis. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. That's the only way I know you like the videos that I produce, and you intend to watch more of the videos. So just subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed to the channel. And also hit the like button if you like the video. Okay, after harvesting for about 30 minutes, let me show you. We still have a ton of raspberries that I'm just gonna harvest tomorrow. So as you see, I have harvested most of them. But if you see behind, there's some behind there that I can't get to right now. So I'm just gonna harvest. I'm just gonna maybe harvest the rest tomorrow. Still one right here. So I'm just gonna harvest the rest tomorrow. There's so many raspberries. Okay, let me know in the comments below what other ways you can use raspberries for. I know we use raspberries. You can make a raspberry jam, but I don't know what else you can use raspberries for. So sometimes I just freeze it. Sometimes I just freeze it and use it in my smoothies, but I don't know what else to use it for. There's quite a lot of raspberries this year that I'm gonna have to figure out some other way of using it. As you see on this side, which is my side of the fence, I still have a ton of raspberries that haven't riped yet. They're gonna be ripening in the next week, 2 weeks, and 3 weeks. All of them are gonna be ripening. So definitely awesome. Gonna get a ton of raspberries this year. These ones are gonna be ripe very soon. So when you prune it, it sends all the energy to the few ones that you have, and you get a result like this. Okay, this is what I've harvested today. This is my huge haul of raspberries. I'm gonna eat some, and I'm gonna save some. I'm probably gonna freeze some and use them for raspberry, or maybe I can decide and do a raspberry jam this year. But this is what I got so far. Let me just weigh it over here. As you can see, it's a pound and some. So this is more than a pound, just the first harvest. So definitely gonna get a lot more later on in the season. So great. Very happy. I'm gonna get a ton of raspberries this year. So I just blend it and put it in the ice tray like this. I'll freeze it, and every time I want to use it, I just get 1 cube and put it in my smoothie, and I'm gonna be able to enjoy some smoothies with it. Okay, and that is it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and happy growing.